able to show wolves and have some explanation about wolves. You can make a dog with just one generation of wolves. You need 20 or 30 generations. First, we have three fences, one with grey wolves, one with Arctic wolves, and one with other grey wolves.
And Julian told us how one of the wolves became an alpha.
The way he made this competition was to steal the food from the big one and bring the food to the other one.
Really?
Yeah, it's really political.
Very unique. Gilles gets a sense of the wolf's mood and is very careful before he brings people into the enclosure. These are wolves that are born in captivity, but they are wild animals, but so affectionate, and it's hard not to fall in love. And we learned the hard way not to have our stuff too close to the fence. The wolves were able to get Steve's fleece jacket, and it took a tug of war to get it back in some pieces. Steve, you may be able to sell us some pieces of your fleece and souvenirs. Over here. Oh, no.
He grabbed the sweater from the wolf. That wolf was kind of annoyed, so he went off and growled at one of the lower members in the pack. Just kind of reassert his authority. I wouldn't have grabbed it away.
So while Steve ended up with a very unique souvenir, I almost got examined by a wolf proctologist.